Here is how to connect Zapier to Notion, step by step. Start by signing into your Zapier account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click App Connections. This opens the area where Zapier stores the apps linked to your account. On that page, click the button labeled Create Connection to begin adding a new app. A search window will appear so you can choose the app you want to connect. In the search field, type Notion, then select Notion from the list of results. After that, click Add Connection. This tells Zapier that Notion is the app you want to link. Zapier will then open a Connect to Zapier window for Notion. In this window, check that the Notion account shown is the one you want to use. If you have access to more than one account or workspace, make sure you select the correct one before you continue. When it looks right, click Connect. You may now be prompted to sign in to Notion. If that happens, enter your Notion account using your email address or whichever sign-in method you normally use. Follow the sign-in screen until Notion returns you to the permission page. If you are already signed in, this part may happen without any extra action. Next, Notion will ask what Zapier can access. You will need to choose the workspace and the pages you want to share with Zapier. Review that selection carefully, because Zapier will only be able to work with the content you allow here. Once the correct workspace and pages are selected, click Allow Access. After that, wait a moment while Zapier verifies the Notion account and finishes creating the connection. This can take a few seconds. When the process is complete, Zapier should return you to the App Connections area. Now check that the connection is listed. On the App Connections page, find Notion and confirm that its status shows connected. That status indicates that Zapier has accepted the account connection and can recognize it in your workspace. The last step is to test it. Next to the Notion connection, click Test Connection. Zapier will run a quick check to make sure it can successfully access your Notion account. Give it a moment to complete, then review the result. If the test finishes successfully, the connection is ready for use in your Zaps. Your Zapier account is now connected to Notion and verified for access.